Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to your Guarda wallet application. If you've recently logged out of your wallet and you are trying to log in back again, then you will need to restore your wallet with a backup file or mnemonic phrases. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open your Guarda wallet application from your app drawer. You will then come across this interface where you will need to tap on Restore Wallet option. Under Restore Wallet, there are two options you can recover your wallet with. Either select the secret phrase option and enter your 12 or 24 word secret phrases to recover your wallet, or if you previously backed up with backup file, tap on Guarda backup file option at the top and type in your backup file or paste it in. After you are done typing in your backup file on the next page, enter your Guarda password. Finally, tap on Restore at the bottom in order to restore your wallet or log in back to your wallet. So that is how easily you can sign into your Guarda wallet application quicker and easier. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.